Okay, welcome to day 9 of our cybersecurity class. Today, we'll be learning about the privilege escalation techniques, okay? And then we'll also be learning about the persistence technique, okay? Once we compromise the machine or host, we want to escalate our privileges from the local or simple user to higher level admin user. Okay, for that purpose we need to escalate the privileges. For doing that we have different tricks and technique. Okay, I'll be showing today about two of the techniques for escalating the user privileges. Okay, first technique will be creating the new user and giving it setting it in the administrator group, and also setting it to the uh, local remote management user group. And then once that is done, we'll set this local token filter policy to 1. Okay, this reg d word will set to 1. Once that is done, then we'll save our system.back and sam.back in our C directory. Okay, this is the key thing to be done here. Okay, which holds all the password hashes. And once that is done, then we'll run smb server or smb impact within impackets. We have this smb server. This is one of the tool in Kali Linux. We need to install this one, we need to download this one, and we'll run this. We'll create one share folder. Okay, sorry, we'll create one public, so we'll create one folder share, and then we'll share this. Okay, we'll sort of run this one, and then once we save this, let's copy this credential to our attack box, then we'll get those system.hive and sam.hive to our Kali box. Once we get those sam.hive and system.hive in our Kali, then we are almost good to go for getting hash. We'll dump the hash and get the hashes. And pretty sure, obvious, once we get the hashes, we don't even need the password for the user, and we can connect from our Kali to that machine host or compromised device. Okay, that's the logic behind this one. Next one is we can use RID. We can temper the RID of the Windows and set it to admin. Okay, admin has 500. Okay, I'll show you here. Let's do cmd. Come on boy, cmd. C man, this D. Then let's run this as the admin. Then I have wmic usarccount get name sid. Okay, then all the users have this sid. Okay, they have different sid. The admin has 500. Okay, this admin has 500, other has different here. Okay, 503, 500, sorry, 1001, this one. Okay, so we want to set other user. Okay, the user we created, or any user with lower privilege will give or will temper the RID to 500, and will on and in next law one we'll get the token and we'll be able to get the admin privileges. That's the logic. We are doing we'll be creating the new user, giving it, setting it to the admin group, and giving all the access to it. After placing it in the remote this management user group here, then we'll give full access, and then we'll do this one. We'll save this system dot back and this one system dot back in our C directory, and we'll copy those and we'll get the hashes in our Kali. That's the logic. So let's get started without delaying. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you one thing here. REG registry editor. What I mean? No, this is not the one. REGISTOI. Yeah, I got it here. Boom. If you come here, then you can see SAM. Okay, in HKLM SAM, you will see all the this SAM file here. Okay, so in here all the hash file of the users, okay, user password are here. All the users, they have different hashes, and different hashes will be stored in here. So we'll create one user, put it in the administrator group, and then we'll save those sam.hive and system.hive in C directory and copy those in Kali, and we'll dump those on and get the hashes. That's the logic. Okay, so to do this one, yeah, let's begin here with command prompt. Come on boy, one is enough. I don't need to CLS. In terminal we use CLS. So net user net users, it will show these users here. Right now we have administrator and guest. Now I'll create one user, net user, and then I'll give the name and password of that user this way. Okay, net user and username, password. Come to our here. I'll do copy paste here. I'm about to create the username RAM with password this one. Okay, and then you need to give this backslash add, and there should be a space. Okay, if you forgot to give the space here, it will not create the user. Next, I need to add this in local group. Control C, come here, easy busy. Control B, this one is not copied well. Boy, copy. Should, yeah, I place this user RAM in administrator group. Okay, then I need to put this in here, remote management user. Okay, done. What is saying? Okay, then that's a good thing, good sign for us. The account is already a member of group. Okay, pretty good. Then we need to do this one. Control C. Okay, Control B. Boy, just copy pasting reg add this registry reg add hklm software windows. Within windows there is current version, and within current version there is policy, and within there is system. For that we'll set this local account token to d1, okay, to give the full access. Once that is done, then we are ready to save those. System dot hive or system dot back and sam dot back. I'll go to the C directory. This cd, this give me this one. Then I need to do this one. Again, that is I'm doing rec save hklm system C. hklm contains all the users one, okay, all the users one. And if you use hkcu, it will only contain the credential of current user, but we want all one, so for that one we need to do rec save hklm. And then yeah, that is done. Let's say yes, okay, this operation is completed. Then we need to run this one. I need to run this impacket server. If you don't have this one, you need to download this in your Kali. Okay, like Kali, come on, start. Okay, control. Okay, I don't need this all, but I just need one. That is the first command. Impackets SMB server. We are sharing this, okay, and from here once I run this command, where is the command? I have this command over here. Now I need to copy this, copy from C to, we right now save this to C folder. Then from there we're gonna share to public folder which is in Kali. This is my IP of Kali, okay, 192.168.126. This is the attack box, or our Kali machine IP address, and in there I have public folder. If you don't have, then you need to create this public folder there, and we'll be saving, copying this as sam.hive and system.hive there, okay. Then I will run this command here, okay. Yes, saying one file copied, but we need to copy two file here. So sam.hive, okay, yes. Then I need to copy one more file, system.hive. What is my system.hive? System.hive, but I will be using sam.hive. Although I'll do this copy. Yes, boom, there, this file is copied to our Kali. If you move to Kali, then you'll see this sign here. That means that folder, that file has been copied to our this public share, okay. So once that is done, I'll be running, we are getting at the sam.hive and system.hive here. That's what we want. Once that is obtained in our Kali, then I'll activate this one, okay, because Python 3.9 is useful in context of dumping the hashes, okay, from sam.hive. I have Python also here, python 3, I need to control say exid set. Yeah, I have this one. Okay, 3.13, but we need Python 3.9. Okay, which is useful for dumping the credential or dumping the hashes. So for that purpose we need Python 3.9. So I have already 3.13.7, but I need to run 3.9. For that one I need to go to the virtual environment. That's the thing, okay, I'm doing here. So for that one you need to install this. Okay, if you don't have, you need to install this one first. Then yeah, I need to run this in packet and I need to activate this. Okay, once that is done, then I can dump this password. From this I need to use secret dump. Okay, this is the tool to dump the hashes. Come here, boom, boom. Okay, then yeah, that's all we want all these anti-lm hashes, okay, from SAM. So I ran this command secret dump py, that's SAM, and it is in share folder. Okay, share folder, and there I got this hashes from there. Okay, using this secret dump py. Once I got the hashes, then I can run evil win rm. This also is one of the essential tool for remote connection. So then I can use that hash. I'll do copy paste this hash, copy paste this hash of admin. We want to escalate the privilege. We don't want the RAM one or other one. Okay, we want the admin privileges. So I'll come here, I'll do Control V. Then in here what I need to do is I need to give the username as ADMINISTRATOR. Is it correct? Yes, ADMINISTRATOR. Right? ADMINISTRATOR. Right? Then I don't need the password. I don't need to crack this one. I can pass the hash. This method is called pass the hash method. Okay? With the hash, I can connect to that device remotely. I don't even need the actual password. Okay, and I'll be able to connect to this device here. Okay, that's the logic. This is one of the method to connect to the compromised device using evil win rm and escalate the privileges. This one is taking time, so hang on. Oh yeah, but the device IP is not that one. That's wrong one. Okay, we place it wrong here. 130 is our IP. Okay, we should be very precise in terms of IP. If you want to be sure, then IP. Okay, yeah, this is our IP. So I need to connect using evil win rm. Then I can see here I'm now connected from here. I don't need to go there and log in and get the privilege. Once that is everything is done here, I can connect whenever I like, but the device this device should be live, okay, to get the connection back. So to see who am I /prip, everything is enabled. That is, I have the high level privileges. I'm using the admin hash, so I can do anything I like. Yeah, that's the way of getting the higher level privileges by dumping the credential. We can even connect using this one. Has you don't need the uh, you know this one password. You can use the hash anti-lm hash. This is called anti-lm hash. You'll use Orel as username here. Okay, you'll use username here, and hash, this hash will be the hash of this guy, and you'll get the his system. Okay, his privileges. So yeah, if you want to check, come on boy, come on down. To use who am I? See, I'm admin now. This is one of the technique to escalate the privileges. Next technique I'm gonna show you. Next technique also. So for that also we need CMD and need to run as admin or system privileges. Then once that is done, we have to use what is that called, regedit. Okay, I need to run this command, but to run this command I need to go to this. Okay, I have this ps exe tool, cd slash, then cd users. You can see the users here. Okay, and within this user I have that ps tool. Okay, cd dir. I can show here within downloads cd, then dir. You can see all the tools here. Okay, this tool is used for getting the reverse cell back from Kali. Most of the firewall, not firewall, let's say real-time protection, that is will not, antivirus detection system will not allow to download this one. You need to turn off that one. Okay, for downloading this. So yeah, then I have ps tool. Where is it? Yes, this is the one which I need. Control C. I need to go there, cd, Control B, then dir. Within there I have a lot of tools here. This ps tool has this one, okay, ps exe. Okay, this is very useful for us. Then I need to do reg dash I dash s, and then this. Okay, yeah, 64. Control C. We come reg edit that way. I Control Z it. Boy, Control C, Control B. Oh yeah, I did a mistake here. ps exe64.exe dash I dash s reg edit. Then it will allow me. What happened here? This should allow me to edit this reg. Okay, I don't know what went wrong here. Am I not the it should give me the privilege to edit. So current user not willing, you need to use this one. Within here, same Within same I have this one. Within same I have domains. In domains I have accounts. In accounts I have users. Okay, all user have different folder. Okay, this one F is for admin, these are for others. So moving to our this here, I need one more cmd here. Let's run is admin, then I'll do same command wmic useraccoent account get name and yes id. Okay, I have this sid for different users. Admin has this one sid, and this has this sid. Okay, this account has this sid. Okay, you can see all the sid of different user. To make any user to the admin, we can change this sid. Okay, rid, register id. That's the logic here. In here you'll go here and you'll change. Okay, not for admin, this is already for admin, you don't need to change. For others you'll come here, or for this one, or for this one you'll come here and you'll change this. Okay, then what is that to change? What is e something? This one to uh, let's make it clear. Okay, come here, what is that mean? And okay, like Kali, boom. Then I need one more terminal. Okay, I need to go for python python 3. Okay, so then print hex, then you'll do this one hex, and within hex you'll type, let's say 500, and then you'll close this. Okay, you have this is the hex value for this one. Okay, so I showed you here they have different value. Come on, in the terminal they have different value. This RAM has this one 5005, not 205, 1005. If I come here and see what is 1005, then I'll pri, come on boy, p print, then do hex, then 1005. Okay, and one more parenthesis 3, that is ed, so 3 ed. Okay, so come here and see, come on boy, which user has 3 ed. This is RAM, so this is the folder of RAM. So come here, then you need to change this 3 ed to what, you need to change it to change it to F401. Okay, in reverse way. The hex of 500, that is admin 1, gave us what it gave us 01 F4, but we need to reverse this F401. Okay, so what are you gonna do here? F401, then you'll do okay, and in next login you will get the admin privileges. Okay, admin token, and you'll have all the privileges. That's pretty simple. Okay, so these are the two ways of doing, getting the admin privileges from the lower level to higher. Okay, one is creating the user and setting it to the admin group, and copying that same dot file, same dot back to our Kali and dumping that one. Okay, next one is changing the RID. Those are the two methods of escalating the privileges. Okay, so moving forward, we'll be learning how to get the persistence. How can we maintain the persistence in the compromised device? For that purpose, we have different ways. We can use the shortcut keys, like here I have calculated this calculator I have here. I can use this shortcut key which are found in compromised device one in desktop. You can use those AXE and place your, come on here, come here, see the properties there. In here you'll place your, also this also, and you can place your, where is that you'll place this, you'll create your power cell that will give the reverse cell for you. Okay, this is here, it will give the reverse cell for you, and then you'll place that in here in this folder, sorry, in shortcut properties. Come on boy, I don't want you. Why? What is window? For no reason this one is coming. Yeah, in here you will come here, remove this one, and then you'll place your this, control C, and then you'll point this, the target, you'll point our target to execute this power cell. Okay, preb dot ps1. Okay, this is power cell, and you can change your icon to the original icon. I'm changing this to calculator. Okay, so the user even doesn't notice what's going on. Okay, you'll see the normal calculator, but in real, once the user execute this one, uh, you know in here in our Kali, we'll run exit clear will do, and then sudo will run this command here, and then we'll get reversal back from there. Okay, that's the logic. So these are all the tested and working notes. You can practice this in your own computer. Okay, so these are the different methods of obtaining the persistence in the compromised device. One of the very sure, okay, one of the very obvious working is you can create the schedule tags. I'll show you here. Come here, boom, then go to your yeah, this is showing. For normal user, they will execute the calculator, but in background you will get cell. That's the logic. Okay, that is working now. So yeah, you'll come to your CEMD, and then you'll create the schedule tags here. Now see, I created this schedule tags. To view these schedule tags, I can query that way SCH tags. Come on boy. Oh, how many command prompt I have? CD Windows, CD SYSTM 32, we need to place here, okay, to be hidden. For being sneakier, we need to place this in system32. Then if I run this here, that is my task 4 I created here, then you can see this task is ready to run. So then what I will do here is going to run this task that way, or manual this way. I can run this task. Came here, Control C, Control V. So what is this command doing here is, what is the command? Okay, schedule tasks. We are creating this task, create tasks every minute. Okay, for every minute, task name is my task 4, and what this task will do is it will go to this folder within there. We need to have this netcat exe. Okay, we need to have this exe file, okay, to get the reversal back, and then it will every minute it will run this command, okay, here, and execute us, give us the reversal in our Kali. Okay, so that's the logic behind here. I need to do netcat, no, sudo netcat lbp 444. So once I ran that one, I got the reversal back from my Windows. Okay, so for this purpose you need to have this netcat tools. I have downloaded this netcat in Windows in here, okay, in downloads folder. Within download there is netcat and netcat 64.exe. Okay, and I created this schedule task. I created this task which runs every minute, okay, in this compromised device. So each time I run this command, within 1 minute I'll get this, okay, this terminal. So SYST SYSTEMINFORMATION seems long. Is it PowerShell? So at this minute, so clear also, it doesn't work here. So yeah, we are in that terminal. Who am I? Anti-authority system, then system info. It should show SYSINFO. Anyway, we are in the victim host there. From our Kali we got the reversal back. Okay, so these are the methods of remaining or maintaining the persistence in the compromised device. So if the device is Linux, then you need to do this one. Okay, you can set every 1 minute or every 10 minute. This says 5 a.m. Okay, so for that one you can change according to your wish. This is minute, hour, day, week, month. That way it runs, it execute. Okay, then for that one you need to do con tab E. Okay, Once that is done, then you will create this mytask.sh script, and then you will sort of give this cs mode, and then you will do, give all the privileges for this one, x, this one, cs mode x, home, this one, and then you'll execute this one. Okay, once that is done, you are good to get the reversal back from that Linux terminal. If your command was is of Linux platform, then you'll get the reversal from there. So these are the two methods. We can also maintain our persistence using other mechanism or other methods, like we have this better one is we can use this folder. Okay, we'll change this HKLM for all the users. Okay, whenever any users log on, then you'll get the reversal. For that one, you need to create the exe. Okay, a reversal or whatever the exe, you can give the name here using MSF console. Once that is done, then you will move this, you'll transfer this to the host and place this to C Windows, and then you need to do a bit of task here. You'll put this, you need to expand this register. Okay, and then you'll place that in Windows there. Okay, that way. And so once that is done, in next logon you will get the reversal. All the script and all the stuffs are here, and all these are tested in my own devices. They works pretty good, pretty fine. You can use these command scripts and you can execute this all in your own lab. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In next class we'll learn about, maybe we'll learn about web exploitation or other stuff. Okay, that's all for today.